1, 2, 3, My baby don't mess around because she loves me so, and this I know for sure. But does she really wanna, but can't stand to see me walk out the door? Don't try to fight the feeling, cause the thought alone is killing me right now. Thank God for mom and dad for sticking together, cause we don't know how. Come on.
Birthday mo raw.
Greetings!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday po! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Ayan, maingay kami dito kasi nagsa-celebrate kami ng birthday mo. Happy birthday!
We get together, oh, we get together.
Happy birthday, Insan! Enjoy your day!
Paring Hek, happy birthday! 50 ka na din. I wish you the best health that you can have. Happy and stress-free moments with your family. And thank you sa long-lasting friendship. Ingat ka lagi. Hoping na yung mga future Pinas holiday natin ay mag-coincide para sa more kulitan. Happy birthday again. Love you. Mwah, chup chup.
Hi, Bes! Happy birthday! Alam mo naman, kahit once in a blue moon lang tayo nag-uusap, lagi ko natatandaan yung birthday mo. Siyempre naman, forever best friend kita, di ba? Natatandaan mo dati yung mga banding natin. Pag weekend umuwi ka, naabot tayo ng madaling araw para na magkwentuhan kay wag na lang. And then hindi pa uso yung word na marites noon, pero ang dami natin pinagmamaritesan. And I also remember one time sumimba tayo ni na Myra, and then natatandaan mo, bumili tayo ng tinapay dun sa lumang palengke, di pa nasusunog yung palengke noon, and then suddenly there's a kid na yumakap sa paanan mo and he called you tatay. Natatandaan mo ba yun? Sobrang tawa talaga natin noon, as in hanggang mag-uwian, tawa tayo ng tawa ni na Myra. Those are the days na talagang happy moments natin. And bago natin harapin yung tinatawag nilang buhay, di ba? And I'm happy for you kung ano man ang meron ka ngayon, kung ano man narating mo ngayon. And proud ako sa'yo kasi na-fulfill mo yung mga pangarap mo. And then you built a happy family. And I wish you all the best and all the happiness in life. And I hope to see you soon. Yun. And yung inaanak mo, baka mag-asawa na, so maghanda ka na ng pansabog. Joke lang. Yun, I hope to see you soon, and happy birthday, enjoy your day, bye.
Paring Hek, happy birthday! Matanda ka na rin, 50 years old. So, I have a little story to tell regarding our friendship. A little bit, 2-minute storytelling. So, na-meet ko siya when I was 10 years old. Transfer siya from Manila. So, doon una kami nagkita. Then, naging magkaibigan agad kami. I remember na nagdidilig kami, nadulas yan sa ilog. Ngayon, nagpasama yan, pumunta sa kanilang bahay para magpalit. Takot na takot siya sa tiya niya. So, naging maayos naman. Then after that, nung nag-high school kami, kasi bumalik ulit siya sa Manila. Nung nag-first year high school, naging kaklase ulit kami. So, from that forward until now, that's all more than 30 years na kaming magkaibigan. Of all my friends, siya lang yung nagturo sa akin ng math kasi may exam kami, hindi ko alam kung paano, nag-dancer nun. So, habang nagpa-practice, tinuturuan niya ako ng math. And I would like to say thank you kasi you're really a good friend of mine, especially. You never ask for anything, you're always there to help, and I'm really grateful for that. And I really want to say thank you. At don't worry, God is with us at He knows na sooner or later makakabayad din ako sa mga tulong na ginawa mo para sa akin at para sa aking pamilya. So, happy birthday ulit and God bless you and your family. Bye!
Hector! Heck, happy birthday! Dahil 50 ka na and you're halfway to 100, here's a song for you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. O yan na, sana napahagal pa kita, ha? At laging alalahanin na kahit ano pa man ang mangyari, kailangan ang tawa humahagal pa palagi. Yes! Happy birthday!
Parang hek! Aba, ay 50 na eh. Happy birthday, pare koy. Ay kung nasa sa ibalan tayo, baka tayo na paring Ding, na paring Erwin, saka paring Chopety. Sampad pa din, baka papuntang Balagtas. Ay siya, naku, baka naririnig ni Maring Grace. Anyway, pare koy, all I wish for you is good health, tuloy-tuloy, maging masaya sa buhay, sa pamilya, at saka just keep it up whatever you're doing, brother. Buhay maikli, maging kontento para maging masaya. Peace. Jed forever!
Kamusta ka, pare koy? Ako'y nakikisa sa iyong napaka-special na araw na ito. Happy 50th golden birthday sa'yo. Miss ka namin. At ang hiling ko lang ay wishing you good health. Well, marami ka na nun eh. Pare koy, happy birthday and enjoy your special day.
Aloha, Hector! Sayang naman hindi ako maka-attend ng birthday mo. Pero happy birthday! Ito na ang inaanak mo ngayon. What you gonna say? Ma?
Ma?
Ligayang?
Ligayang
kaarawan.
arawan.
Mabuhay ka!
Hello, Hek! Happy birthday! 50 ka na! One thing I like about you is that you're a very generous person. Happy birthday again! Enjoy your celebration!
Hello! Happy 50th birthday! Sana laging maligaya ka, malusog ang pangangatawan, at pogi pa rin tulad ko.
Hi, Insan! Welcome to the club! Happy Golden! Stay safe, tsaka lagi kang magpagwapo, kagaya ng daddy. We love you! Bye-bye!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Sandy. I love you. Yeah, stay safe always.
Hello! Binabati ko ang aking pinsan, si Hector Almasan, sa kanyang 50 taong kaarawan. Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. Sana ay manatiling ligtas ka sa iyong pangangatawan at pagpatuloy mo ang iyong mga naumpisahan. Rocket pa more! At sana ay pagkalubang ka pa ng Panginoon ng mahabang panahon
Against the light.
Hi, Hek! Happy birthday! Wish ko sa'yo good health at sa family mo. Good luck sa business ninyo ni Grace. Sana marami pa kayong makuhang clients dyan. Malalaki na rin ang mga anak mo. Sana makapagtapos sila ng pag-aaral. Yun lang at happy birthday ulit!
Happy 50th birthday, Kuya Hek!
To the best brother-in-law,
The best Ninong. We wish you good health, happiness, and more blessings to come. Hope you have a blast on your birthday.
We love you!
Happy 50th birthday, Kuya Hek! We love you! God bless!
Hi, Hector! Happy 50th birthday! We are here to greet you and to say that you are loved every day. Happy, happy birthday. You have been a blessing to your family and to us as well. Happy birthday, Hector! We love you.
Happy 50th birthday, Tito Hek! We love and miss you. Wish we were there.
Happy birthday, Parang Hek! 50th, welcome to the club.
Welcome to the club, A.
Yes, old! We hope na nandiyan kami ba. You know we love you, Parang Hek, and we love your family. Thank you for the friendship. And we'll see you next time na nandiyan kami. God bless.
Yes, many more blessings to come, Tito Hek.
Happy birthday po, Tito Hek. More birthdays to come. Saka stay healthy. Saka tagay na.
Happy birthday, Tito Hek. And one reason I love about Tito Hek is sobrang matulungin niyang tao. To the point na if you need him, if you need his help, willing talaga siyang tumulong. Kaya happy birthday po, Tito Hek. I wish you all the best and mag-iingat po kayo palagi. God bless.
Happy birthday po, Tito Hek, and wish you all the best on your birthday. And si Tito Hek, isa yan sa mga taong hinangaan ko. Kung saan, andyan siya palagi. Andun tumulong sa pamilya, sa mga taong nangangailangan. In-idolize ko yan, lalo na. Kasi, napakamapagmahal na tao niyan, si Tito Hek, lalo na kay Lola. Parang ako lang din. Love na love ko si Lola palagi. And, ingat po kayo palagi, Tito Hek. And, I hope na maging masaya po kayo sa birthday ninyo. God bless.
Happy birthday, Tito Hek. One thing I love about you is yung generosity mo po. And, kahit minsan makulit kami masyado, binibigay mo pa rin kami ng mga regalo. Yun lang, happy birthday ulit.
Hello, Tita Hek. Happy 50th birthday. We are all thankful for all the presents and gifts you have brought us these past few years. We all hope you have a great life and a better future. Thank you.
Hi, Tito Hek. One reason to love Tito Hek is because of his kind heart to people and especially to his family. And happy birthday, Tito Hek, and have a wonderful years ahead and good health po. Thank you for everything po.
Happy birthday, Tito Hek. Thank you po sa mga pa-first times niyo po sa amin. Like, first time ko po makasakay ng airplane or first time ko makapunta ng Boracay. Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday, Tito Hek. I hope you have many more to come and I hope that you come see us soon. We love you. I love you. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Tito Hek. Thank you po sa lahat-lahat. God bless po and more blessing to come po. More birthdays to come din po. Ingat po kayo palagi dyan.
Happy birthday. Thank you. Happy.
Happy 50th birthday, Hek. More birthdays and more blessings to come. Thank you. Ingat kayo palagi dyan.
Tito Hek, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Tito Hek, happy birthday, Tito Hek, happy birthday, Tito Hek, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Tito Hek, happy birthday, Tito Hek, happy birthday, Tito Hek. Thank you, Tito Hek. Thank you, Tito Hek. Salamat sa Boracay and pa-shopping. Salamat sa Boracay and sa shopping. Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Hek! Thank you kasi marami-rami na yung times na nangailangan kami and we're so grateful na nandyan ka lagi to help us kay ni Grace. Siguro one of the traits na hinangaan ko sa'yo is yung pagiging ambitious mo. Gusto mong yumaman, but unlike yung mga mayayaman na nakilala ko na nakalimutan na yung pamilya nila, ikaw gusto mong yumaman para makatulong ka palalo sa pamilya mo. So, on your birthday, ang wish ko lang, sana i-bless ka pa ni God para maging blessing ka pa rin sa iba. Birthday!
Hi Kuya Ek, happy 50th birthday. Isang dekada na lang, ma-enjoy mo na yung discount ng pagiging senior citizen. Joke lang. By the way, maraming salamat sa sakripisyo at sa walang sawang pagtulong mo sa amin. Salamat at isa ako sa mga naging scholar mo. Isa ka sa mga rason kung bakit ko narating yung mga pangarap ko sa buhay. And sana bigyan ka pa ng mahabang buhay ni Lord. More blessing to you and your family. Stay healthy. Iwas sa mga matatabang pagkain para iwas din sa maintenance. And cheers, love, and kita-kits sa March. Okay? Thank you.
Hi Kuya Hek, happy 50th birthday sa'yo. Wala naman akong ibang sasabihin kundi magpasalamat lagi sa'yo, sa iyong pamilya, sa lahat-lahat ng mga tulong na ibinibigay mo sa amin, paglaban para sa amin, at paggabay. Maraming salamat sa iyo, Kuya. Maraming salamat dahil nandiyan ka parati. Hindi mo kami pinababayaan. Sana balang araw makabawi din kami sa iyo. Ayun, alam ko matanda ka na rin and hindi naman habang buhay. Nandiyan ka para sa amin. Ayun, happy 50th birthday again, Kuya Hek. Lagi ka lang maging masaya, laging nakangisi para hindi mo ka matanda. Tsaka, alagaan mo lagi yung sarili mo. Dahil tandaan tayo, mag-workout na tayo. Okay? Happy birthday again, Kuya Hek. Maraming salamat sa'yo and your family. God bless you. Ingat lagi.
Happy birthday, Tol. Salamat. Alam ko babatiin mo rin ako ng happy birthday. Sabi ko lang, kasi ano to, hari ng masa or makamasa. Masandal, tulog. Mamaya makikita mo na lang yan bigla na kaganon. O kaya nakaganon. Kasi naman, sinasagad niya yung oras niya sa trabaho, sa pamilya, sa wedding, kaya nauubos na yung time niya magpahinga. Tulog din pag may time. Napakasipag. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng tulong. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Hek. Happy 50th birthday. And more birthday to come. Ingat ka palagi dyan. Shot na.
Happy birthday, Hek. 50th birthday. May God always bless you, especially good health and happiness. Alam ko, God is granting His blessings to you because you help your family too much. I thank you for all the help that you give to this family. I know you're a good man, a good son, a good husband, a good brother, and a good father to your children. Kaya lalo kang binibless ni Lord because you have a good heart. Love you, anak.